Test, test, test. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me out there? I'm pretty excited about this live. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I usually make coins into rings like quarters and half dollars and dollars and stuff like that. But today I'm doing something completely new. This is my first hand-poured fine silver coin. It's a Runic compass. It's pretty cool. Shout out to Timeless Foundry on Etsy. That's where I got the mold for it. And this is the first one that I've ever done. I think it came out really cool. And I'm going to try and make a ring out of it. So it's probably going to fail because it's definitely a pretty rough hand-poured coin. But the cool thing about poured silver is if I mess this up, I can just re-pour it. So there's not a huge loss there. So this isn't available on the website or anything. This is kind of a first draft trial run. So let's give it a whirl, see if we can make this into a ring. It's really heavy. Like I'm pretty sure that's close to an ounce, if not over. It's pretty heavy. I think next time I might go a little lighter, just to make it not so thick. If you guys want to see some of my other finished work, I do invite you to visit my website, coinringmaker.com. I can make a link pop up real quick down here. Y'all check that out. But yeah, this is my first time pouring a coin out of fine silver. This is mostly made from scrap from other coin rings, and we're going to try and make a ring out of it. If you guys have any questions while I work, feel free to ask. I'm going to go ahead and get my setup set up and hit the follow button, tap the screen, and we're going to get started here in just a second. So the first thing we're going to have to do is punch a hole in it, and I'm trying to think about how big of a hole to punch. Usually with 1 ounce rounds, I do a 5/8 inch punch, which is going to leave a lot of nice details. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. So we'll get our punch set up here. This is exciting. I don't know if you guys are as excited about this as I am, but like for a guy who's made a bunch of different types of coin rings to make my own coin and then try and make a ring out of it, I don't know, I'm pretty stoked. See how it goes. Maybe a little too stoked. Gotta calm down a little bit. I'm just gonna hammer that on through here. It's a thick coin. That's tough. Usually I can get right through them. Wow. It's really fighting me. May have to go to the press. I can see it moving a little bit. Give it another 30 whales. Sorry about the noise, guys. It's a defiant piece of silver. All right, I'm gonna try this on my press over here. Give me just a second. All right, we got it out with the help of our 12-ton. Glad you like it. Oh, man. This one is giving me a hard time. So we got the punch through. And now I can't untighten this. It's like fused up. That's something else. Not going as smoothly as I had expected. Oh. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this off of here. I'll hop back on once I do. Catch you guys next time.